In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off emergency SOS countdown sound. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. By default, this feature toggled on, and if you try to press at the same time volume up and the side button, here it will start to calling to SOS service, and here you will hear some warning sound. And now let me show you how you can simply toggle this sound off. So first, open up settings, scroll down for a bit and hit on emergency SOS. Here you can easily find countdown sound and just hit at that switcher to toggle this feature off. Now if you'll try to call to emergency SOS phone number, as you can see, there are no sound anymore. I hope this helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.